Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD LT Crew Cab pickup. On the exterior, you have heated and power door mirrors, available four-wheel drive and parking sensors. Inside, you'll find comfortable seating for 5, illuminated entry, and remote keyless entry. This 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD has less than 85,000 miles and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.